find dark side?
Alright, hold on, be right there. Hold on.
The fuck is that, dude?
That's that alto guy.
That shit didn't happen in TeamSpeak. Dude, can we throw him out?
I don't have any admins. Why don't you move us down? Move us down to you all.
I can't get to the console.
Alright, hold on. Alright, what's the password? Do you know the password?
Let me look around here. Oh, there it is. 8.9.15.22.
Alright, hold on.
289.60.
Alright, I got the 8.9.
Eight, 9, 15, 22. I can't stand this shit. Hey, can you get to your Ventrilo control panel?
Yeah.
Okay, right click on his name and mute him.